that is not lie because I didn't tell her. Wait a second, what did I say? Wait a minute, what did I say? I forgot. I'm okay, I'm fine. This is all in your head. Okay, so basically a very good morning to everyone, but I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, but good morning anyway. So right now I'm going to head out to buy some stuffs to make DIY birthday gifts for my mom. Let's just say she's going to be a sweet 20 this year, so yeah.
Why the f you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop lying.
Okay, so anyway, I'm going to head out to buy some stuff to make a DIY birthday presents for my mom. Okay, so basically she has no idea that I'm going out because I do not tell her that I'm going out. I only told my dad that I want to go out and buy some stuff for my mom, because obviously I cannot just tell her like, hey mom, I'm going out to buy some stuff to make birthday gift for you. Obviously that's not the case, right? The thing that I'm going to make is explosion box. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about explosion box, but if you guys haven't heard about it, that these are a few pictures that I'm going to include for you guys so that you guys know the idea what I'm going to do. So if you guys are not clear with any of the thing that I'm going to do, then you guys can refer to this video because I got inspiration from this video. Okay, so I'll see you guys later on. Okay, 14th September is going to be my big day where I'm going to be registering as a medical student. I'm super excited about it. If you ask me what I'm feeling at the moment, right now I don't feel anything, but for the past few months I've been feeling so nervous and excited about it, but then now I don't know what to feel. It's just like I don't feel anything. I'm just like looking forward for it, and I have to say this is the first time I've been so excited and looking forward for the day where I'm going to pursue my study. I mean, I'm always excited to study and learn new stuff, but this is just like another level of me being so excited with my studies. This is the first time ever. Oh my god, this is not difficult, but I have to keep my eyes forward. I mean, in front, I have to keep my eyes to look in front of me because I'm driving, and I have to talk to you because obviously I'm a loner.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I don't have a friend, so be talking to a camera. I really hope nobody will judge me for that. Now I think everyone knows and can understand that because everyone has been vlogging a lot of things, so it's not a big deal, right? So basically I was a student at UKM who pursued pure biology, and then I only studied there for 1 month, one semester, which equal to 4 months. And then after that I have considered to change my course to MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So basically yeah, I've considered to change my course because eventually at the end of the day I just realized that is my passion. Okay, I just realized it later, and let's just wish myself to do my best for it. Okay, because it won't be easy, and I get it. I accept that. I get that. I just have to like face it and get stronger. So yeah. The thing is, my Achilles heel is starting and making conversations with new people around me, and also with the people who are older than me. I kind of find it's kind of difficult for me, and I find it's my Achilles heel since the beginning. Whenever I'm in a situation where I have to fit in a new situation and new people, I can feel a very big pressure on myself, and I can feel like it's literally stressing me out just to think about it. Wait a minute, okay, dalam ni tak ada lighting, so just know that the pressure is good for myself because the pressure can actually make myself getting better. But I'm just saying that is my problem and that is my Achilles heel. And I'm saying that it's not easy for me to. Do people stare? Oh, MG, kenapa lah aku pendek? That is my Achilles heel, and that is the one thing that I've been worrying about since the moment I considered to change my course. Okay, but yeah, I'm okay with that. Like, I can fix that, but it will take time. You know, the pressure is good. I have to admit that, even though it is uncomfortable, but that kind of pressure can actually trigger myself and push me forward to become a better person. So yeah, being a positive is a good thing. It can actually help me to change myself. Kita dah sampai ke destinasi kita. Okay guys, so I dah sampai dekat shopping mall. Sekarang ni I nak kena pergi masuk je and beli barang sebabnya sekarang dah pukul 11 lebih. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I dah habis dah shopping. Dekat dalam tu I tak sempat nak record apa-apa sebab lagi pun I was just so busy buying a lot of stuffs. Okay, so tadi I pergi Mr. DIY untuk beli few stuffs. And you pun tahu apa masalah kalau kita pergi DIY, Kaizen, Daiso semua tu kan. Obviously, we will end up buying stuffs that we're not planning to get. Okay, so daripada I nak beli just a few things, I end up beli banyak barang. Things lead to more things. So daripada mula-mula I ingatkan tak perlukan bakul, tak perlu nak bawa bakul masuk ke dalam, terus penuh satu tangan, tahu tak? Orang parking okey je. Tak ada polis kat belakang, polis. Oh, tahu takut. Okay, so sekarang ni I baru je keluar daripada shopping mall. Baru habis keluar daripada beli barang dekat Mr. DIY. But then ada satu benda ni I tak beli dekat, I tak dapat dekat DIY. So I kena beli ke tempat lain. Dekat kedai lain tulis satu ni. Tapi sekarang I tengah cari parking sebab tak ada parking. Oh, by the way, ada satu video ni I ternampak side parking ni. I ada teringat satu video my dad bagi. Ada seorang ni, seorang perempuan kot. Dia parking, dia nak masuk side parking. Lepas tu kereta dia kecil je tau. I tak ingat dia pakai kereta apa, tapi dia pakai kereta kecil je. And then dia punya parking, side parking tu sebesar-besar alam. Tapi dia tak boleh, dia duduk reverse ke depan, ke belakang, Lepas tu akhir sekali dia just keluar je. Dia just tak masuk parking tu pun. Tapi dia macam pelik lah. Dia point dia sekarang ni, dia macam parking tu luas, seluas-luasnya. Tapi dia boleh tak nak dia bukan tak nak, dia still tak boleh masuk. You know, macam it's very ironic. Tapi that's how things work. Yang kita yang tengok video ni pula yang macam frustrated tau. Macam pergi ke depan sikit, so belok ke kanan ke kiri sikit, lepas tu nanti dapat masuk. Tapi dia pergi keluar terus parking. Oh my god. Tapi kelakar lah. I was laughing so hard watching that video. Maybe I will include that video in this video. Tengok macam mana. Okay, ni tak ada parking. Aduh, yelah geramnya aku. OMG. Tak tahu sebenarnya ni. Polis di belakang. Oh my god. Tapi parking tu side parking. Kita gelak-gelakkan orang. Kita ni entah ke depan ke belakang juga. Mana nak keluar ke? Alah, tak nak keluar. Apa dia nak keluar? Okay, macam mana aku nak masuk dalam kereta ni? Tak apalah, you masuk je lah. Tak kisah macam mana pun, asalkan kau masuk kan. Parking je. Bukannya driving test. Driving test kau dah lepas. Saya ingat. Saya tak langgar apa-apa. Bagus pula ni. Berguna ada lesen kereta. Kan unboxing.
Kita akan unboxing apa yang dah beli dekat Mr. DIY dengan kedai buku tadi.
I just akan gunting je sebab
Because I can.
so I dapatkan my mum untuk apa ni? So try to guess who doesn't know what is a wrapping paper is.